up, everybody? Welcome to my first ever video. And for today's video, I have the Razer Huntsman Mini unboxing. This is what it looks like from the back. Purple switches, I'm thinking. I think they're purple switches. It's a cable, and it's 60%, which I like. So let's open this from the side. I'm trying to do it as neatly as I can. Look, keep going. And then, alright, for the keyboard, I'm gonna get y'all a little. That's how it is. Yo, look at it. Look at that, chat. Look at that. Yo, that sounds so clean. I'm looking for my friend on Fortnite. Oh, and if y'all want to add me, my name on Fortnite, my name is Ola. So yeah, y'all can add me on Fortnite. You know. Yo, what's good, Kobe? I'm doing a YouTube video right now. All right, so give me a second. I'm doing a YouTube video. Give me a second. Anyway, so yeah, Razer Huntsman Mini is crazy, and this is the white version too. So I might have to get some more keycaps pretty soon. Yo, look at that keyboard. Yo, hold on, buff like fish. That, oh my god, I could. Ooh, all right. Let me take off my tag real quick. Anyways, all right. So for the box, let me get the box out. Okay, what's in here? Yo, look at this cord. I don't think nothing else is in here besides the manual. But yeah. Bro, look how big this cord is. Why is it so big? Oh my goodness. So, yeah, gotta just trying to open this. Okay. Wow, look at that cord. Let's take that off. My first ever Razer product, believe it or not. I'm going to try to keep that part up. Okay. Right. I'll plug that part in my computer. Alright, bring these extra cords in here. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Yo! That is fire! Alright, bro, look at that. That's a fire. Alright, that's it for today's video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. See y'all.